What's good, y'all? Almost Memorial Day, you know what time it is. Had to do a little quick trip to Schurz. Had to visit the folks at Bad Jacks and Rampage. Shout out to Bad Jacks though, they shot some stickers. But let's see what we got, yo. Got a little case of those. Excals, classic. Gotta have them. Some morning glories for the kids, some adult snappers for the kids or whomever desires to use them. Little bubble blaster. 240 shots. Had to get the brick real quick. Some smokes. Now I haven't seen these yet. Smoke in the can. But I'm assuming they're just like those, but like the balls maybe. Nothing too crazy. No shooting up in the air, nothing like that. See what this fountain's like. By Black Cat. Gonna check that one out. Had to get some daytimes. Juiced about these. Keep it real, never let off a daytime firework, so get some smoke in the air. 100-foot fountain. Gonna need to go find a measuring tape that could confirm or deny this. Some Fountain Dew. You already know. You already know. Had to. Lightweight taxing on these though, ain't gonna lie. But it's good. It's good. We already know these are hitters, so I ain't worried about it. And then once again, shout out Bad Jacks. Shot those. Couple little speedballs. Hooked it up. Good looking out. Alright, y'all. Have a safe one.